Hi everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. I don't have an actual tutorial for you today, but I am going to show you a bunch of cards. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5, 27 cards. So here's the first two I'm going to show you. Each month when you spend $50 in merchandise, on merchandise with me, you get a tutorial bundle, and in that bundle there are a ton of tutorials. There's 12, 14, I think 14 maybe, tutorials printed in PDF. It's a really nice PDF version, and it comes to you. It's me and other demonstrators. I have one tutorial from all around the world. So you get a variety of stamping styles. You get tons of projects that you can use. This is actually mine from last month. Last month we did shaped cards. And then this is mine for this month. This month it is a summer theme. So you get all the instructions on how to make these from everybody in the group. You can also buy it for $20, the whole tutorial for each month. I'm having some issues with it on my website. If you would like to buy one, then you can just email me and let me know which month. You can see all of the different months on both on my Facebook page and on my well, maybe not on my blog because the page is acting up, and it's not even Microsoft. But for today, what I'm going to show you, if you need a catalog and you don't have a demonstrator in the US, let me know. I am happy to send you your first copy for free. The holiday catalogs will actually be going out next month. The way I'm going to do those is if you have spent $50 with me since May, you automatically get one. If you haven't spent $50, then email me, and I have so many catalogs that I send out now that I'm kind of funneling it more towards my actual customers. If you've never had a catalog before, I'm happy to get one in your hands, but I'm going to stop sending them to people that just spend a couple of dollars, because at this point everything is online. But one of the happiest things I do is send them to those of you who purchase from me, and I know you love them. So that will never stop. But if you purchase in, what's this month, July, when I send out my July thank you gifts, those of you that purchase this month, you'll get your holiday catalogs first, because that will be the first batch that I send out. So for today, I am going to show you, and I have started a Facebook album, so you can go to the album and see the pictures of these different cards. So once a month I get together with some of my girlfriends, and we do a shoebox swap. So we have started doing the little templates that are here in the catalog. So I'm going to walk you through the 5 that we've done. We're up to this one. So next month we'll do these 2. The first couple of months, the first month we just did, we did a card and a scrapbook page. We've scrapped the scrapbook pages for right now. It was just too difficult. The second month, because we scrapped the scrapbook pages, we only did 1 card, but we realized that or maybe 2 months we did 1 card. It's going to take us a long time to get through these doing 1. So this week we did 2. And because they're fairly simple, it's pretty easy to do. So I'm going to show you the template. We'll go from some of the older ones, which I have shown before on a video, but unless you watched that tutorial, you would have missed it. And then we'll kind of go back and forth between them. So this is the tutorial here for this one. And like I said, you can go to my Facebook page and see these. So you can see how it's got a piece, and then a little tag with a ribbon. So these are our variations on how we did it. I meant to get the ribbon. The ribbon on mine fell off. So here's this one. And then this one. So we all do them just a little bit different. It's a little bit like the tutorial bundle. When you stamp with other people, you get the variations of how they did it. So that's everybody else's. Like I said, my ribbon fell off. I meant to add some before we started, but the ribbon was right here. So I took the template, which is this way, and then I turned it this direction, which we all have kind of played with them a little bit. All of my tutorials, you can go to the YouTube channel and find them, because they're all on there. So that was the first one. Let's go to this last one here, because this is the latest one that we've done. So on mine, if you saw this tutorial, this is mine. I chose not to cut the little diagonals in, because these are like kind of a jumping off point, right? So you don't have to do it exactly as it says, but I found if I cut the little jaggedies in it, I was losing too many of my pumpkins, and I loved the pumpkins. They were my favorite part of the card, so I didn't want to lose them. Then this is my daughter's. So this little ghost step is a new online exclusive. so you'll be able to see it. It looks like she stamped on I mean, I made this one, but she designed it on shimmer paper, but that is the DIY shimmer paper that I've been making, and I will have tutorials coming for that in August. And this is my friend Susan's. And what I really love about this card is if you can see these butterflies in here, that's how we colored them to kind of match that. So that's super fun. This is my friend Tanya's. Yeah, that has a little doingy. This one's very, very, very on point for the template. And then this is my friend Lisa's. And of course, whenever we do a shoebox swap, so we talk and we eat and we laugh. So sometimes when they design a card, by the time it gets to us and we actually do it, you've all been there. You've all done a stamping class and you're like, oh, well, I didn't mean to do that. So sometimes they're a little bit different what they intended to be. So here is mine on the second one. So this one, it was just kind of a smaller square. It's not 4 by 5 1/4. I also have a PDF that has all the measurements for these. My daughter goes straight measurements. Whatever the measurements say, she uses them. I adapt, so we all do it a little bit different. But if you are a customer, I am happy to send you that PDF. I'm not going to send it to the masses because I don't have time. But if you purchase from me and you want that PDF with the measurements for the templates, I'm happy to send it to you. In fact, if you're in Card Club, maybe I'll just send it to everybody in Card Club when I send your directions in a couple of next week. So if you're in Card Club, you don't need to ask because I will send that to you. So here is mine. So instead of doing the square panel, it's this one, I used the die that goes with this, and then I have the ribbon and then the little thing here. This one, instead of having a punched image, because it doesn't have to be a punched image, it has the airplane. Sometimes we have stamped on the inside. And then here again, instead of having a larger punch, we have the highlight of the little sailboat. And then this is my daughter's. And again, you can see where it's gone this way, but she flipped it this way. So the little hammerhead shark would fit there. And then this one is probably straight up exactly as it is, even the shape that it looks like on there. And that's my friend Susan's. So that is that one. Try not to mix these up. I realized I didn't take photos exactly the way that I wanted them after I started redoing the, making the album on my Facebook page. So if you go there in the next couple of days, they won't all be there, but over the course of the next several days, I will get them up. So then we have this one. And I just posted this tutorial a couple of days ago. So it's got a piece kind of to the edge and then some smaller, little rectangle pieces to go on it. So here's mine. And then again, here's my daughter's because she uses those measurements. So what it says in the PDF, that's what she uses. So here is the rectangle and then the 2 small pieces. This one has that fun new vellum. And instead of having 2 pieces of cardstock, Susan used a piece of ribbon to kind of highlight hers. And here is the exact card with the exact measurements and 2 pieces of paper with the ribbon highlight. But you can see here, this is on this side, and all she did was squish it over, and it gives it a fun, different kind of look. And here is another one where it got flipped this way. And I love that little TV. I have a tutorial or 2 on my channel with the TV. And then that leaves us with this one here. Here's Carissa's. It's my daughter's with the exact right measurement of this card here. This one was mine, so this tutorial is up on the channel. I'll do this one last, because these are all pretty much basically what this has here. So 3 strips, a piece across, and then a highlight. So those of us that didn't use the paper used the ribbon to be the strip across, which is funny that 3 of us did it. And so then on this one here, she has all of these could go on straight. So there's 4 dies that could go straight, but instead of having them just straight, we just gathered them at the bottom and then made a little bouquet from them. So that is what I have for you. You can go to my Facebook page, Sherry's Cards, And you can see all of these fun projects there. So tons of fun cards. And then next month we'll have these two here. Next month we will probably have some holiday mini things make a little appearance in there because we will have those by then. And then remember, if you spend $50, you're going to get this month, you'll get this tutorial, which is summer cards. If you're interested in purchasing any of the others, like the shapes, and it's an agreement thing that we do for all of the other demonstrators in it. So I can't swap them over. Like, you can't say, I don't want summer, can I have shapes? You have to spend it the month you get it, but you can buy the tutorial bundle for $20 if you want. So that's what I have. Everybody have a great weekend, and I will catch you back here later. Bye.